Hello everyone, welcome to Emerge Kenya TV. Thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate you so much. In this video, we'll be going over a tutorial on how to check the diversity visa lottery results online correctly. Every year, the US government holds the diversity visa lottery, also known as the green card lottery, to offer a chance for people from eligible countries to apply for permanent residence in the United States. If you applied for the DV lottery last year, then you're probably anxious to find out if you won. In this video, we'll show you how to check the results online step by step. The first step will be for you to go to the official DV lottery website, which is dvprogram.state.gov. And please make sure you're on the correct website and not a fake one. You can check the website's address bar over here to ensure it's a secure connection with this padlock right here. The next step will be for you to click check status. Once you click check status, it will bring you to this page. Please make sure you have the confirmation number, your last name and the year of birth with you for you to be able to continue, or for you to be able to check your status. The next step will be for you to click continue. If you have misplaced your confirmation number, or you don't have it, or you can't find it, you can check your confirmation number on this same website by clicking forgot confirmation number. Once you click there, you're gonna select the diversity visa program year to check. In this case, it will be 2024. Then you're gonna enter your last name, your first name, your middle name, just the same way you filled in the application. And the next, you fill in your date of birth, starting with the month, day, and then the year. The next step will be for you to fill in the email address that you used on your entry form. And then you're gonna authenticate by entering this code right here. You're gonna enter it right there, and after you're done, you're gonna hit submit. After you hit submit, you'll be able to retrieve the confirmation number, and once you have it, you can come back to this website, to this page, and then you're gonna enter your confirmation number. Please enter your confirmation number in this space provided here, and then the next step will be for you to enter the last name that was used in the visa entry form, and then you're gonna enter the year of birth, and then after that you're gonna authenticate by entering this code right here, right there, and then after that you're gonna hit the submit button. Finally, you'll be able to see your DV lottery results. If you won, you'll see a notification that says, based on the information provided, the entry has been selected for further processing for the electronic diversity visa program at this time. If you are not selected, it will say, based on the information provided, the entry has not been selected for further processing for the electronic diversity visa program at this time. So you have to try it next year or later this year for the 2025 DV lottery program. And that's it. You have successfully checked your DV lottery results online. If you are selected, please make sure to follow the instruction provided by the US government to proceed with your application. And if you didn't make it, please don't give up. You can always try next year or later this year for the DV lottery 2025. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. We appreciate you so much. Please share, like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. We wish you the best of luck with your DV lottery application, and until our next video, have a good one. Be safe, be kind, and cheers. Bye bye.